In 2026, the sky will change. The sun will disappear in the middle of the day. 6 planets will align at the same time. And an unpredictable comet may suddenly become visible to the naked eye, out of nowhere. Astronomers around the world are already paying attention, because some of these events haven't happened in decades. And today, you're going to discover the 7 moments when the universe will literally put on a spectacle above our heads. Get ready, because some of them will be visible from anywhere in the world. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing the sun simply disappear. On August 12, 2026, the moon will position itself perfectly between the Earth and the sun, casting a gigantic shadow over the planet. For a few minutes, day turns into twilight. The temperature drops, the sky darkens, and the solar corona, normally invisible, emerges as a bright halo surrounding the darkness. The path of totality will cross the Arctic, Greenland, Iceland, and northern Spain and Portugal, creating one of the most photogenic scenes of the decade. But the most intriguing part is that this won't be the only spectacle on that day. Just a few hours later, the sky still holds another surprise. On the same night as the eclipse, something rare will happen. The famous Perseid meteor shower will reach its peak, precisely during the new moon. That means completely dark skies, no lunar interference. Under ideal conditions, it will be possible to see more than 100 meteors per hour, fast streaks of light cutting across the sky. For those in areas far from city lights, it may literally look like a cosmic storm. Astronomers call this a true celestial doubleheader, a total eclipse during the day, and a perfect meteor shower at night. And just a few months before that, something even more unusual will happen in the sky. At the end of February, the solar system will arrange itself into a rare cosmic parade. 6 planets will appear aligned in the sky after sunset. Venus will shine intensely on the horizon. Jupiter will dominate the sky. Saturn will emerge with its characteristic golden tone. Some of them will be easily visible to the naked eye, including from Brazil shortly after dusk. It will be as if, for a few days, we have a panoramic view of our own solar system. But 2 of those planets still have a scheduled encounter, and it will be even more impressive. In June, the 2 brightest objects in the night sky will appear to almost touch. Jupiter and Venus will be separated by only 1.6 degrees, less than the width of an outstretched finger in the sky. For those observing without knowing what's happening, it will look as if 2 extremely bright stars have appeared side by side. No telescope will be necessary, just look to the west about 45 minutes after sunset. And a few days later, the moon will join the spectacle as well. But not all the events of 2026 are predictable. One of them may surprise even astronomers. Comets are the most unpredictable visitors of the solar system, and C2025R3 may become the big surprise of the year. Predictions indicate that it will be visible with binoculars, but there is a fascinating possibility. If its tail reflects sunlight at the right angle, a phenomenon called forward scattering can dramatically amplify its brightness. The result? It could become visible to the naked eye. In the southern hemisphere, including Brazil, there will be chances to observe it in the evening sky, low on the western horizon. But while this icy visitor crosses space, another spectacle is happening much closer to us. In the early hours of March 3rd, the Earth will cast its shadow directly over the moon. But it won't disappear. Instead, it will turn red. Sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, filtering out blue tones and allowing only the reddish light to reach the lunar surface. The result is a surreal sight, a copper-colored moon suspended in the sky. And the best part, it will be visible across much of the Americas, including Brazil. A perfect reminder that we are all participating in a precise cosmic dance. And the final event of the year brings something unexpectedly poetic. On Christmas night, the moon will reach its closest point to Earth during its full phase, a supermoon. It will appear up to 14% larger and about 30% brighter than usual. Near the horizon, the famous lunar illusion will make it look gigantic. It will be one of the most impressive full moons of recent years, lighting up the sky exactly on Christmas Eve, a symbolic ending to an extraordinary year in the cosmos. 2026 reveals something fascinating. The universe is in constant motion, and incredible spectacles are happening all the time above us, even when we don't notice. And these are only the events we can already predict, because new discoveries can emerge at any moment. And when they do, you'll explore them first here on Explore Maze. See you on the next journey through the universe.